Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a travel blogger over at Where To Now Jenny, and it is linked in the description box of all of the videos that I publish. I'm also a self-professed cruise addict who's either thinking, planning, or packing for my next cruise. On my channel, I will be posting videos featuring travel vlogs, cruise vlogs, travel tips and tricks, and packing organization every single week on Thursdays. Let's learn to be better, more efficient travelers together. Be sure to subscribe for new content, hit that notification bell, and comment below to introduce yourself. I'd love to learn more about you guys and for you to join our community. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.